Hey guys, happy Friday. Just a reminder that we do have a discussion this week, so it's imperative that you make a post to that discussion describing your contributions for the week. Also, don't forget that with your post, you should include a copy of anything you've been working on. So if you say that you put together a suggested outline or that you worked on your response to a particular question for the case study, make sure to upload that with your post. And you aren't judged on that or anything. It's mainly just to prove that you did do that work. And also it gives me a chance to kind of see what's going on. So if you're off track, I can help you get back on track before you get way too far down the road. So it really is just a mechanism to help you. And it doesn't even have to be typed. If it's something that you hand wrote, that's okay. It's not a formal submission. This is, again, just something to serve as evidence of your contributions, and also for me to be able to help you if I see that you're off track. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a wonderful weekend.